Hello, I'm Jerry and student in Lamar College and currently taking BSHM, and my topic from today was the 4 cases in Philippine history. Case Study 1, where the first mass take place in the Philippines, being the first mass in the Philippines. It has been recorded by an aristocrat, Antonio Pigafetta, an Italian scholar and explorer from Republic of Venice. It was happened when he was assigned by the King of Spain to record the expedition leading by Ferdinand Magellan. And by expedition, they came to Cebu, to where they helped to act by expanding their glory, gold, and Christianity. The first mass was held in heavy support by one of the king of the island. And by this recorded history, there are several conclusion rumors by this expedition that given by some historians that there are earlier mass held in the Philippines, but by the end of the day, this conclusion ended. When the Philippines government released an act that the first must take place and was held in Limawasan in March 31, 1521. Case Study 2. What happened in the Cavite community, being the two events in 1872, one of them was the Cavite community. It was documented by Jose Montero y Vidal, and it was officially reported by Governor Rafael Esquidos. This happened by the mistook of the Cavite that was an attack. Then they launched an attack and Spanish officer and seized the arsenal. When the news was reached the Governor Esquidos, he declared a revolution against the Cavite. By the revolution, Gumborsa was also in the event where they tried to the court-martial to sentence to die, and by the month of February 17, 1872, an attempt as Spanish government and the Christian to be feared in the Philippines. By this time, this was a response to justice by a Filipino version of the Independent by Dr. Trinidad Hermenegildo Pardo de Tavera, a Filipino researcher and scholar. By her point of view, he blamed Governor Esquidos being a cold-blooded policies that started the revolt that Tavera believed the Spanish friars and Esquidos used to the Cavite community as a powerful lever. Also, Tavera believed that prior to do something drastic in their dire power in the Philippines. And by Segismundo Moren promoted the now a school run by friars called Philippine Institution. Later on, Tavera confirmed that Madrid government came to believe the scheme was true and started an investigation. And was being known the truth about the revolt, this was sentenced life imprisonment. And by the end of the French writer Edmond Cloutier compliment Tavera in a case study 3. Rizal retract being a hero in the Philippines by declaring a revolt by her writing that was contributed in the modern Philippines. Rizal retract was a meaningful course of being perspective on what he say in this sentence. He was confronting by a word that has a true color of what actually happened before. Having documented on May 18, 1935, that lost document was found by archivist Father Manuel Garcia. By the doubts of Rizal retract was found in Jesuits and Archbishop copies, and it's all been shown on Manila newspaper by the only imitation of original. Means Friar controlled the press on the original copy while the Jesuits is the only imitation. There is also a different by original to copies like Mi Cualidad with you, which in copy was Mi Calidad. You was missing. This is one of them. Case Study 4. Where did the Cry Rebellion happen? This Cry Revolt makes the sweep of the Spanish colonies in 19th century. It has happened on August 1896, northeast of Manila, and where they declare a rebellion against the Spanish government. It was raised when Teodoro Agoncillo said it was happened when Bonifacio tore the cedula, and some say it was Aguinaldo commissioned a hymno Balintawak after the Pact of Biak na Bato. And this was the different date and places. Olegario Diaz happened in Balintawak August 26. Teodoro Kangkong Balintawak last week of August 1896. Santiago Alvarez, son of Katipuneros, leader of faction in Cavite, said it was happened in Bahay Toro, Quezon City, 1896, on August 24. Pio Valenzuela, being privy, it said it was Alpugad Lawin in 23 of August. Gregorio Salde, identify it happens in Balintawak on 26 of August. Teodoro Agoncillo, Pit in Pugad Lawin on August 23, 1896 by account in Pion name. Guillermo Magsangkay was also identified the rebellion by presenting multiple phrases of things that happened. It's said in August 26, 1896.